The Dangote Refinery has assured Nigerians that the country will continue to enjoy steady fuel supply despite the uncertainty and surge in the global crude market. The managing director of Dangote Refinery, David Bird, at a media briefing says priority will be given to the domestic market to ensure the economy continues to sustain its growth trajectory. Joel Pupola has the report.
Having surpassed its 650,000 barrels per day refining capacity, Dangote Refinery has become a dependable source of energy for the nation's economy, providing stability in the wake of the volatility in the global oil market. Managing Director Dangote Refinery David Bird, while attributing the price fluctuations to the escalating tension in the Middle East, says product availability and supply will remain uninterrupted.
Are exposed to global commodity price movements. We understand the pain that incurs in our business and obviously throughout the economy to drive inflation and so forth. And that is being felt worldwide. Nigeria, with a domestic refining industry, is not immune to that. However, the benefit of having a domestic refining industry is supply security.
Dangote Refinery gets about 35% of its crude locally, but still has to get supplies from the international market, and the price per barrel of crude oil is now hovering at $120. But thanks to Dangote Refinery, Nigeria is experiencing supply security, which is not same for other countries.
So I fully acknowledge the pain that is being suffered. We are seeing that. We are doing what we can to ensure that we minimize costs throughout our supply chain. However, our price input is crude at benchmark-related prices. Freight is benchmarked against freight rates. To put some of those numbers in perspective, I mentioned the crude oil, the Brent. You could go back a week and it was hovering in a stable range of the mid-60s. It's now 118.
Despite the global market uncertainty, the managing director says the refinery has continued uninterrupted production of the highest quality and price stability can be guaranteed with more local supply of crude oil.